Good morning, Spartans. Today we are going to Hawaii to learn how to divide with decimals. We're going to be moving it over. Okay, leave my little guide there. If you would please get 2 contrasting colors of markers and a blank sheet of paper. Once you have your paper, fold it in half, hot dog style, like this. And then let's put our title, Dividing with Decimals. Use whatever color you like. Dividing with decimals. This is going to go in your notes, so try to keep it pretty neat. And I will pause it if you need to catch up. Okay, let's think about a problem that is common sense. Say I've got $3.75 and I want to figure out how many quarters do I have if all my money is $3.75. Well, let's think. Okay, $1 is equal to 4 quarters. $2 is equal to 8 quarters. And $3 is equal to 12 quarters. And then I have this 75 cents. So 75 cents is 3 quarters. So 3 and 75 is 12 and 3. That would give me 15 total quarters. That's going to be my answer. But not all questions are that easy to do in your head. So here's the process for dividing when you have decimals. You're going to move it over. So let's write that with a different color. Move it over. And again, move it over. Bring it up. And then finally, divide. Ta-da! Give you a second to write that as well. I'm going to zoom in a little. See my cat? Still watching. Okay, now what I mean by move it over, the it refers to the decimal here and here. So the process is going to be to move this decimal all the way to the wall to make the 25 a whole number. Move it over. And then if you move this one 2 places on the divisor, you're going to move this one 2 places for the dividend. And your decimal is now going to be here, and you're going to bring it up to here and then divide. Now when I do this move it over, bring it up, divide, this gets kind of messy. So you might want to, and I always do, move that up a little, rewrite it down here. Give yourself a couple of spaces and then come below it. Make your dividing house. Now my new outside number, oops, sorry, come back, is going to be, move it over, it's now 25 on the outside. And my new inside number is 375, and the decimal's on the end. Kind of like yesterday, we moved the decimal over. That's taking 0.25 times 100 to get 25, and 3.75, move it over twice. It's like timesing that 100. So what you do on the inside, you do on the outside, and vice versa. Okay, so how many times can 25 go into 37? I'm going to switch colors here. 25 goes into 37 one time. 1 times 25 is 25. Subtract. That gives me a 2 and a 1. And bring down the 5. Now I have 125. How many 25s go into 125? Scoot this over. Well, let's count them. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. That would be 5 25s. Make 125, and we don't have any remainders, and our answer matched our common sense answer by moving it over. Your teacher's got issues. Okay, let's do a different style one on the other side. Let's say I'm going to an arcade, and I've got $5.75. So let me put in the house $5.75, and each game costs 50 cents, which is a 0.50, but I'm going to drop the O because I don't really need it, and I'm going to call it a 0.5. So how many video games that cost 50 cents each can I play if I have $5.75? I'm going to see how many 50 cents go into $5.75. So let's do the process. Move it over. Only one space for this one. Move this one over the same number of spaces. Bring it up, and then divide. Okay, so let's rewrite that nice and neat. Give yourself a little room maybe here. So my new number on the outside is 5. My new number on the inside is 57.5. Bring it up, and then divide like normal. How many 5s go into 5? 1. 1 times 5 is 5, and I have nothing remaining. Bring down the next digit, 7. How many 5s go into 7? 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract. Now I have 2 remaining. Bring down the last digit, 5. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. And I'm running out of room. There we go. Subtract. And I have no remaining. So I am done. So let's say I had $5.75. Each video game is 50 cents. I could play 11 video games in half of a video game. But honestly, can you play half a video game? I think not. Have a good day, and don't forget to move it over.